I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the environment and account controls so the system can learn reliably. First, open your account security settings and enable voice authentication. Make sure microphone permission is granted. Next, pick a unique passphrase, 4 to 8 words that you can repeat naturally. Include numbers or symbols only if the system accepts them. Once done, find a quiet room and use a headset or position the mic close to reduce background noise for cleaner training. Now you record samples to build the voice model and improve matching. Start the guided enrollment and read each prompted phrase 3 to 5 times, varying your tones slightly so the algorithm learns natural variation. Don't whisper or shout. Make sure you maintain the same pronunciation across takes to reduce false rejects. After recording, save and allow the system to process the samples. It will return a confidence score. Higher is better, so you know if another pass is needed. Finish by testing and hardening your setup so it works in real life. You should run 5 verification attempts from slightly different positions and, if possible, a second device to confirm reliability. Then enable a fallback method like a PIN or 2FA so you aren't locked out. If you see false accepts or rejects, retrain the voice model, update microphone drivers, and retry in quieter conditions. If problems persist, reset enrollment and repeat the guided recording to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.